Welcome to our recorded class. And this is the pre-kinder level. The date today is April 4, 2022. It is a Monday and it is time for school. So how about let's do part of our class is the review. And last Friday we did a number friend. It's the number 17. 1 and a 7 together makes 17. What are the letters in 17? SEVENTEEN to make the word 17. How many pancakes do we have? Let's mark and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. This is 17. 1 and 7 together make 17. And if we move to another part of our review, we have to trace 17. 1 and a 7, that makes 17. So let's trace on our screen the number 17. And what set shows 17? Is it the set of cupcakes, donuts, or the burgers? How about we find out by counting the sets first? Let's start with the cupcakes. Mark and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 1 and 9, that makes 19. How about the donuts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 1 and 8, that's not 17, that's 18. How about for our burgers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 1 and 7, this is 17. So we have our group. It is the set of hamburgers, 17 of them. Let's move on to another part, and it is our sight words. So for this week, we have our first sight word. It's the word in. I and N, this makes the word in. And what is our sentence with the word in? We have in, the doctor checks the bones in the x-ray. The doctor checks the bones in the x-ray. So we have our word in, it is also about the x-ray. So how about we move here to the next? This time we have the word in. I saw him mix the milk in the coffee. So we have also the word in. When you say in, it's also inside. And how about this sentence? The word in, they come to a party in their tux. So they are both wearing their tux. A tux is a special suit that you wear in a special party. So usually the boys or the men wear this. It's a tux. They come to a party in their tux. The next sight word is the word not, and O and letter T, that's the word not. And how about we move on to the next? We will do the sentence with the word not. I will not play with the melted wax. So when you have wax from the candle, it will melt. See, and sometimes the wax is hot. So you have to be careful. How about for the next sentence? We have not. The fox will not go to you. It might be scared of you. That's why it's hiding. How about for the next sentence? We have the word not. I will not go near the man with the axe. So he is doing work and he has his axe with him. The axe is quite sharp. So you have to be careful. Don't go near this man who's also a lumberjack, the one who cuts the wood or log. How about we move on to the next part of our class? We did the sight words in and not. Let's do our lesson. For today, we have a new letter friend. It's the letter X. There are two kinds of X's, capital and lowercase, and they both have the same sound, x, x. letter X. Let's check for the things that go in X. This is X for the X-ray. How do we spell it? X, a dash, R, A, and Y, X-ray. Let's circle all the X's, capital, lowercase. We have X for X-ray. And in the hospital, the doctor might ask you to get an X-ray checkup to check your bones. So here we have an example, the X-ray. Let's move to the next part. How about we also write the letter X, both capital and lowercase? Please follow what I have on our screen. We are going to write them. Get your whiteboard and your whiteboard marker. Let's write letter X, a criss and a cross. And in case you forgot, where is the treasure? X marks the spot. Remember, a criss and a cross. And in case you forgot, where is the treasure? X marks the spot. Remember, pirates put X's on their treasure so that they won't forget. See, a criss and a cross. X marks the spot. We have capital letter X. Let's move to another kind of letter. Here we have lowercase x. Crisscross applesauce. X marks the spot. Make sure your pencil starts at the dot. So this is how you make your lowercase x. Start always at the top. Here at the top. Go down, back up. Crisscross applesauce. Here we have lowercase x. Let's move on to another part of our class. And here we have the things that go in x. Let's make x. X marks the spot, crisscross applesauce. So we have both capital and lowercase x on our screen here. And what are some things that has X? Some do not begin with X because it's hard to find words that begin with X. There's only a few of them. So here we have, there's X in T-Rex. There's X for the xylophone. A T-Rex is the Tyrannosaurus rex, a kind of dinosaur. Xylophone is a kind of instrument. There's also X in the end of axe. There's also X in box. You put lots of things in a box. There's also X at the end of fox. And here we have X for the X-ray. We use the X-ray to check our bones. So we have all those things that has the x sound. Let's move on to this part. Here we have to color all our X's. X is for xylophone. Let's color all the X's. We have X. This one is X. Another one. Am I done? Did I color everything? Oh, not yet. We still have to color some more. There are still a lot more of X's on our screen. Let's look for them. Am I done? Did I color all the X's? Not yet. We still have some more. Here, I think I'm done. I finished coloring everything. Do you see? Do we have all our X's? Not yet. We still have one more at the bottom. So here we have letter X, capital and lowercase x. X for an instrument, the xylophone. And how about we move to the next part, and it is our work time. So for the first work, we are going to do the word in. I-N-N, in. In is for inside. Let's spell it out, I and N. Trace, I and N. And then rainbow right. I will make I red. I will make N pink. Let's write the missing letters, I and N. I and N to make in. Circle all the letters in. This is I and N to make our word in. Circle three things, the three in words. This is in. Also in. And the last one here, in. So here we have all our in words. If you're not yet done, pause this video, play it again once you're done. I'll be jumping to the next worksheet. Here we have to do our in word also. Trace your in word, I and N, mix the word in, write the sight word in, underline 3 times the word in, and color the word in. Write the letters I and N in. And for our sentence, I put water in the bucket. That's our sentence. But let's erase. How about we underline only in our sentence? It's the word in here. Spell it out. Cut the letters to build the word in. I and N to make in. So again, our sight word is in. And if you're not yet done, pause this video, play it again. Once you're done, I'll be moving to the next page. The next work is our letter X booklet. Trace your letter X, capital, lowercase x. Don't forget your name at the bottom of X. Move to the next page. Here we have the first letter to put here is the capital X and then lowercase x. Trace capital, lowercase x, x as in axe. So we have our axe here. There's X at the end of axe. How about for the next one? Here we have X, X as in fix. So we have X in fix also. The man will fix the broken computer. If you have something broken, you can try to fix it. How about another one? We have also, there's X. We have X as in mix. You can mix all the ingredients just like the boy. You can color your pictures to make it look nice, just like on our screen. Let's move on to another one. Here we have a number, capital X, lowercase x. We have X as in 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. That makes 6 fingers. The hand is showing 6 fingers. X in 6. Let's move to the next. How about for this one? We had this one in our letter W word. So we have the wax. There's X. X as in wax. When the candle is melting, the one that you see, that's droopy, it's the wax. That's wax. There's X at the end of wax. How about for another one? Here we have X is for X-ray. X-ray begins with the letter X. And how about we color this one also? Now, if you're not yet done, pause this video, play it again once you're done. We're done with the booklet on our screen. Let's move to this work. Here we have the capital and lowercase x letter find. Trace your X and look for all your capital letter X first. So let's circle all the capital letter X. Circle all capital letter X. And then how about we mark and count them all? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And we have one more in here that makes 17. Let's write it down. 1 and a 7, that makes 17. Let's move on to lowercase x. Now, capital X is bigger compared to lowercase. So let's check the lowercase, the ones in green. Circle all your letter lowercase x there. And how about we mark and count? How many did we find? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. That makes 16. 1 and a 6, 16. So here you have capital X 17, lowercase x 16. If you're not yet done, pause this video, play it again once you're done. But I'll be moving to the next work. And here we have the maze for our X-ray fish. An X-ray fish, it's a unique animal, a special animal, because it shows its bones. You can see it through its body. Let's dab all our excess. Make a line for the X-ray fish. He needs his X-ray. Dab only the letter X. You make a path for the X-ray fish going to his X-ray. And here we have all our letter X. If you're not yet done with the work, pause this video, play it again. Once you're done, I'll be moving to the next work. How about we jump to the font maze? The X-ray fish needs all the X's. Let's check. Dab only your letter X. And here we have our letter X font maze. Let's move on to the next work. But if you're not yet got done, pause this video, play it again once you're done. Let's move to this one. Trace first your letter X, capital, and the lowercase x. Cut your X's also so that you can check and paste them if it's capital or lowercase. My font might be different, but we almost have the same work. Paste all your capital X's first. The ones that are bigger, those are capital X. Here we have all capital X. Let me fix this one. And how about the lowercase x? So this is capital and lowercase x. We sorted them all out. Let's move on to the next. And how about we do our hidden letter work? So capital X should be yellow and lowercase is green. Let's color all capital X's first. It should be yellow. Remember to follow our instruction. We only need yellow and green colors. How about for our lowercase? It is green. Color the lowercase. It should be green. Here we have our capital and lowercase x. The hidden letter is letter X. How about we move to the next work? But if you're not yet done, remember to pause this video, play it again once you're done. Let's move to tracing letter X. Always start from the top. Now my work, it's cut off, but we have capital X here. Always start from the top. When you trace, start at the red dot. Don't forget to write also, leave spaces in between. Write your letter X. Let me erase that one. So here we have the letter X. If you're not yet done, pause this video, play it again once you're done. I'll be moving to the next work and it is for our spelling. Now, if you have this on your worksheet, please spell with me. The number one word that I will do is the word axe. A-N-X makes the word axe. The man will use the axe to cut the tree. Axe. In number 4, we have the word fix. Sorry, number 2, we have F-I-X. Fix. I will fix the broken board. Fix. In number 3, let's do mix. M-I-X. Mix. I want to mix all the ingredients. Number 4, S-I-X. That is 6. The number 6. Number 5, we have wax. W-A-X. Wax. I will wax the floor. Another kind of wax, it's the floor wax to make your floor shiny. Number 6, we have box. B-O-X. Box. I will use the box to store all my things. Number 7, fox, F-O-X, fox. The fox hid in the den. Number 8, tux, T-U-X, tux. The boy will wear his nice tux in the party. Tux. Number 9, AX, that is sax. A saxophone or sax. The jazz player will play the sax. And number 10, we have ox, O-N-X, ox. The ox is a kind of big cow. So these are the words that end with X. The words that we have here don't begin with X, but they have X at the end. So here we have our words with X, X sound at the end. And if you're not yet done, pause this video, play it again once you're done. I hope that you also finish the work because the next work is for you to make your letter X crown. And I will also move to the next part of our class, and that is to give you your sticker friend. So Megan will go to Everest, Eliana will go to Sky, Lian in Sky, Julius in Tracker, Marcos in Chase, and Kyle in Rocky. I hope that you finish your work for today, and I will see you on Wednesday. Bye-bye.